File operations can fail for many reasons, including missing permissions, non-existent files, or full disks. Proper error handling ensures that your program stays robust and provides helpful messages instead of crashing unexpectedly. Common exceptions include FileNotFoundException when files don't exist, IOException for general input-output errors, and UnauthorizedAccessException for permission problems. You can catch specific exceptions with try-catch to handle different errors appropriately. Check conditions before acting to prevent exceptions proactively. Use the using statements to ensure that resources are disposed properly even when errors occur, preventing file handle leaks and locked files. Provide user-friendly error messages that explain what went wrong and what users can do about it. Both users and future developers will appreciate robust error handling.